Hi there, welcome back to Vintage Hunter Builds. This is another live video, and on this video we're going to be showing you how we did our custom blue on our W123. This point it's good I should mention that this was not a commission project. This was rather a personal project. This is my personal car, and it's been this car has been my daily drive for about 12 years before we did the restoration, what you're watching now. And I felt basically it was about time to show a very loyal car some TLC. So I decided to go all in, and I wanted to change the color from blue, from brown to blue. So what you're watching now is basically a lot of the welding. As you know, if you're familiar with the W123s, they're very prone to a lot of rust. So we had already tackled a lot of welding, and at this stage we were just getting ready to getting ready to do the final paint. As you can see, we the car had already been primed, properly. The body was getting ready for the base and everything. What you're seeing now is basically getting the minor imperfections. These are very common. Basically, the sandpaper lines, that kind of stuff. So uh, a little history on this car. Basically, initially this car was not maroon. The initial color was was a beige color, so it was a very boring beige. So about 2009, we decided to go maroon on this car, and 10 years later in 2019 we decided to, rather 2019 we decided to go to change the color now 10 years later. So the body prep, there were no many dents on this car. It was basically a very clean car. It's single-handedly driven by me, and it's my daily drive, as I mentioned before. And why I decided to go blue is because well, blue is one of my favorite colors, and there are not very many blue W123s, or rather two-tone W123s. And what's the color code on this car, on this paint? No, it's actually custom. So this paint we did it, we mixed the colors ourselves. So there's no paint code, there's no color code here, so to say. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and you have any questions there, definitely feel free to hit us up on Facebook, on Instagram, or rather comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I hope this video is helpful if you're planning to do not necessarily a color swap or in color swap rather. And I hope this video will be a proper guide, or other an impressive guide to see what to expect. And let me also thank everyone who subscribed to our channel. We are very grateful. We are actually going to 500, almost 500 subs in a very short period of time. And so rather, this is most of the cars we feature here basically are yeah, the cars that we are very passionate about, basically. And we are very passionate about what we do. And yeah, this is basically one of those projects that you feel like you go all in on. As you can see, we had really like stripped the car down. Everything was out, the seats were out. So we were gonna change the the interior, rather the interior, to match the color of the car. So I decided to change the initial interior sorry, was beige, so we decided to go with the blue interior. What else did we do on this car? We also did basically a lot of things. That we did an overhaul on the engine. A lot of stuff went on to get this car to this stage. So let me also thank our team that worked tirelessly for a very long time. The process nearly took 2 months to get this car to this stage, what you're seeing now. It was basically a labor of love, and a lot of people spent their time and energies to get this car to this stage. Basically from the mechanical. at this point I was very happy with the build. I was very happy with what we had accomplished with my team. And it was one of those visions you have, and then you see it come to life and you're very happy. I was very happy with the paint results, as we did manage to get some really impressive paint job. And I also managed to ship these body molds rather, from Germany through a friend. And also this they were generous enough to go pick them up for me. And also these rims, I did ship them from the UK. They're called Melbas, the size 15 Mercedes rims. And what else? Also, I did ship I ended up shipping the seats in the car. They actually blue to match the color. I ended up getting a good deal from, I believe it was Germany, or from eBay. And I had them shipped to Kenya, but took about 30 days to get here. But I was very happy. It saved me a lot of time, doing upholstery on the seats, and it would have been very expensive rather to do them in pure leather rather. What you're watching now is the first day after we finished with everything. And this is when we were just dusting off everything. And now as you can see, this is now the final paint job. And it's like I said, it's been a year since we finished this build. And it's been amazing, driving this car every day, most of the time, or rather most of the times. And I'm happy I did finish this build. And I'm looking forward to another 10 years with it, and then maybe we can do another rebuild of the same. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and drop a like, drop a comment, and see you in the next video.